One frequently asked question is, how much dimension do I need to provide? In order to go from a sketch like this to your initial floor plan, what we need are general overall dimensions. The more information, the better. If you have an architectural drawing, great, upload it. If you don't stress over that. What we need are our overall wall dimensions. So this whole back wall here. And then if there is a feature like a window, you can address that two ways. One is to give me center line of the window as well as a window width. Two would be to basically segment these out like section A, window B, and section C, and provide me each length. This is because essentially when I'm viewing this plan, this segment here and here means it's clear cabinetry space where I could put wall cabinets. So if you're measuring a window opening or a door opening, please include the trim so that we don't basically design into that area. This wall would be the same. You can provide an overall measurement. Here we were working with an existing vent. It's very common where you have your hood if the ductwork is already going outside and you don't want to take on the kind of additional contracting work to change that. Or from either wall, you can come in and give me a center line of that appliance itself. Essentially, that's the basic steps we need to put together your plan.